Crypto Hero here, and today we're looking at 6 coins that haven't had a good run yet after the increase of Bitcoin, but as well as coins that are in a really great buy zone that you can invest in and make profits in a short period. Remember that everything I'm talking about here is my own analysis and what I actually do. It's not financial advice. I make these videos so I might be able to help some of you guys make more money in the upcoming bull market, so let's go. The first coin on our list is Metis. Metis is an absolutely incredible cryptocurrency that offers so much more than just simple transactions. It's a solution tackling Ethereum's big challenges by offering scalability, fast transactions, and low fees. It aims to merge all those dream features into one platform, intending to transform how individuals and businesses collaborate using blockchain tech. From my perspective, decentralization and Web3 capabilities are game changers, especially in the finance and DeFi space. Metis is becoming a top player there. So, connecting all the dots, I think Metis is a promising hub for developers, businesses, and communities looking for success in the blockchain world. Metis has gathered quite an impressive lineup of partners, and it's something that really caught my attention. When you consider names like Chainlink, Hera Finance, KuCoin, and more, it's clear that Metis is backed by some serious players in the industry. These partnerships, in my opinion, really solidify its potential for success. Getting into the Metis white paper, I discovered some fascinating details. The Metis token does more than just cover transaction fees. It lets you stake for decentralized autonomous companies, or DACs. These DACs verify transactions and link them back to Ethereum's mainnet. And that's not all. Metis ensures safe data storage and top-level security measures, which, in simpler terms, means your information and transactions are safe. Checking it out on CoinMarketCap, Metis currently sits with a market cap of around $98.5 million and a fully diluted cap of $216 million. It's actively traded on major exchanges, offering good accessibility for anyone interested in getting involved. Moving to the charts on TradingView, on this 4-hour chart, I see potential trend break after a significant downward movement. A possible entry point could be around $19.27, targeting $30. For longer-term strategies, accumulating between $13 and $15 might be worth considering, with potential exit points at $55 and $83. Considering the Metis roadmap and the team's focus on innovation, I believe Metis is positioned for substantial growth in the future. Optimism, also known as OP, is the second coin on our list. Similar to Metis, Optimism is also a Layer 2 cryptocurrency. It's developed by the original creators of Ethereum, and it was designed as an extension to existing Ethereum software. What I find fascinating about OP's mainnet is its speedy, stable, and scalable setup. It's like giving wings to Ethereum apps, making them fly on this new network at a significantly reduced cost. Here's the twist though, OP isn't really for people looking to invest and strike gold. It's more of a backstage pass for developers working hard on Ethereum, building the future of Web3 that we're all excited about. But you know what's interesting? Even though OP isn't a typical investment coin, crypto investors are still huddling around it. They see it as a booster for Ethereum, making it even cooler than before. It's like the sidekick that makes the superhero shine. When I look at the numbers on CoinMarketCap, OP's market cap is just around $1.58 billion. To me, that's still very small compared to its hype and potential. Now, if you look at the supply side, not much to it because it has yearly inflation rate of just 2%, and investors seem to love that, seeing it as a sweet opportunity. But here's where it gets technical. We've got this chart on TradingView, and guess what? As you can see, it's making a bullish Adam and Eve pattern. This means a possible shift in trend, which could mean a great time to buy at its current price of about $1.70. In the short to mid-term, OP seems to have a good shot at crossing the $5 mark. But if you're in it for the long game, I, with full confidence, believe it could pull 20-fold from its current price. All in all, this feels like a seriously promising project to me, and jumping in now might just be the move. Trust me, when this rocket ship takes off, many might regret not joining the ride. The third coin making waves on our list is Avalanche, also called AVAX. It's a pretty cool crypto and blockchain platform that's making some noise in the crypto space, kind of like Ethereum. AVAX is the token that powers the Avalanche blockchain, working its magic with smart contracts, just like Ethereum does. Why this coin took my attention is how it's standing out lately. I mean, its Layer 1 blockchain can handle a whopping 4,500 transactions per second. That's lightning fast compared to some others out there. One more thing that caught my eye is how open Avalanche is about development. It's all open source, which means anyone can dive in, check the code, and even contribute to making it better. And you know what? This focus on high throughput has driven AVAX prices up by a jaw-dropping 80% in just the past couple of weeks. Now, comparing Avalanche to Ethereum, one big difference is the speed of transactions. AVAX processes way more transactions per second compared to Ethereum. Also, their fee systems differ. Avalanche burns all the fees, while Ethereum only burns a bit of them. Talking numbers, AVAX has been a real player in the crypto market, with a current market cap of $8 billion, dollars, and considering its fundamentals, I see it hitting over $100 billion dollars within the next 2 to 3 years. And here's the exciting part. Analyzing its price action on TradingView, you can clearly see a major shift in its trend on the daily chart. This could mean a golden opportunity for investors to jump in right now and potentially grab a sweet 60% return in the short term. If you're into long-term investments, I'd say keep an eye on AVAX. Digging into the project's basics and doing some technical analysis suggests AVAX might break its all-time high on the weekly chart. A target price of $236 could mean an insane increase of 1,800% from its current value. So I'd recommend considering AVAX for your portfolio, especially if you can accumulate it between $14 and $18. It might just be your ticket to be a crypto millionaire. Number 4 on the list is ARB, and let me tell you, Arbitrum is a game changer you might want to consider for your crypto portfolio. It's all about solving the issues Ethereum faces with high fees and network congestion by handling smart contract transactions separately on its own chain. From what I've seen, Arbitrum's ecosystem is growing fast, signaling room for more growth. This could make it a key player in making Ethereum's Layer 2 solution smoother and more accessible. Now, how does Arbitrum stand out from others like Optimism? Well, it takes a different approach, using an optimistic rollup along with a virtual machine. This unique combo seems to boost its efficiency and performance, setting it apart from the crowd. ARB tokens hold quite a bit of weight as the governance token for Arbitrum's blockchain. They allow seamless value transfers, investment opportunities, and voting on important network decisions. Digging into the tokenomics from white papers and CoinMarketCap, I found that ARB token has an initial supply of 10 billion tokens, a 2% yearly inflation rate, and currently about 1.27 billion tokens are in circulation. This setup aims for a steady token supply, encouraging long-term investment and engagement in the Arbitrum ecosystem. Sure, it recently had a dip in its trading value, but looking beyond the surface, Arbitrum still stands strong with solid metrics. With a market worth of $1.5 billion and a 5.1% value growth since May 12th, it looks like a promising and appealing opportunity to me, especially for investors looking for potential gains in the long run. Observing its chart on TradingView, I notice a double bottom pattern on the daily time frame. Based on the current scenario, my suggestion would be to consider buying around $1, with targets set near $2.45 in the short term. And believe me, considering recent hype, it might even pull in gains of $15+ in the 2026 bull market. Overall, Arbitrum impresses me not just as a solution for Ethereum scalability concerns, but also as a promising investment opportunity in the crypto market. Now, as the world of cryptocurrencies continues to reshape our lives, one standout option is Rose from the Oasis network, taking the 5th spot on our list. In my view, the Oasis blockchain platform, a Layer 1 proof-of-stake smart contract platform, places a strong emphasis on expandability and privacy, a feature highlighted in its white paper. Rose, the native token of the Oasis network, boasts distinctive traits like its capped supply of 10 billion tokens. This token serves various purposes, including staking, delegating, and covering transaction fees, according to insights provided by the Oasis Foundation. While Bitcoin and Ether have their domains in Bitcoin and Ethereum networks, Rose finds its home within the Oasis network. This network has caught my eye as I believe it has the potential to challenge Ethereum's dominance. If you look at CoinMarketCap, Rose holds very good fundamentals and a significant presence in AI and Web3 tech. Now let's move on to TradingView for technical analysis. My analysis suggests considering accumulation between 6 cents and 7 cents. With Valentine's Day on the horizon, there's exciting potential for the price to surge up to 22 cents during that period. It's crucial to maintain patience and be ready for substantial gains. Remember, Rose is considered a medium-risk project within my long-term portfolio strategy, but with its promising prospects, it is definitely one worth adding to your portfolio. Alright, let's talk Theta, the 6th and last coin on my list. To me, Theta isn't just another blockchain. It's an exciting playground for developers and partners, a bit like Ethereum, but with its own unique vibe. So here's the real game. Theta wants to shake up the entertainment and AI scene. You must be wondering how. Well, it's by building this cool, cost-effective, decentralized video streaming system that blows old-fashioned centralized platforms out of the water. And get this, it's not just for videos. They've got space for all kinds of stuff like esports, movies, TV shows, and tunes. The one thing I like about Theta's blockchain is all about rewarding its users in real time for sharing content. Another thing I like about it is that it's an inviting space for developers to build dApps using their open source blockchain protocol. Now, let's talk about where Theta sits. I'm big on this. The video streaming industry is set to explode, like a growth rate of 18% from 2020 to 2024. Plus, with tech like blockchain and virtual reality getting fancier, Theta's got huge room to grow in the long run. Here's the most important thing that forces me to fall in love with this investment. You can see here on CoinMarketCap, Theta got its whole supply out there in circulation, which means it's safe from inflation. With a market cap of about $1 billion, this baby's got potential, especially in AI, gaming, and entertainment. Now, looking at those candle-based chart patterns on TradingView, I got this feeling that this is the time to think about diving into Theta at its current price, which is around just $1. Personally, I'm considering adding this gem to my portfolio. In my opinion, it seems wise given its favorable tokenomics and technical analysis. So those were my 6 coins to buy right now, and I recommend you watch this video about top 3 coins that'll follow Chainlink's massive gains.